Hey everybody, welcome back to Redneck and a Hat channel. I'm Les. Today we have got this little baby right here. It's the Canik TP9 SFX, the Special Forces 9mm. If you just recently picked one of these up or acquired one and trying to figure out how to take the slide off, I want to show you how to do that. Before you do anything with your handgun, drop the magazine out. This one is loaded. The magazine was loaded, chamber's empty. The slide will not come off if the gun is cocked, so like I say, make sure it's empty. Take the magazine out, point it down in a safe direction, pull the trigger. Now the slide will come off. If it's cocked, I can't get the slide to come off if it's cocked. I'm sure they're all like that. Maybe it's a safety feature so that the gun can't discharge while it's coming off. But you've got a square button here on this side and a square button on this side. We're straight across from each other. Take your fingers, your thumb and index finger, one on each button, pull down, and then you might have to pull the slide back just a little bit, but you shouldn't. As soon as you pull them buttons down, the slide comes off. And there's your slide. As far as cleaning, your recoil spring is right here. Take and push it in with your thumb and it should come out like that. Your barrel, I just turn it upside down, the barrel drops right out. Most cleaning on these things, lubrication, that's as far as you need to take it down. That's all I take down. But anyway, put your barrel back in. I usually turn the slide upside down. It just makes it a lot easier to see what I'm doing. The flat piece goes to the top of the barrel, so if it's upside down, the barrel needs to be upside down. Just slide the barrel down in like that. Recoil spring, when you put that back in, you see the two ends are different. You got this end and then you got this end. This end is the part that goes towards the muzzle of the gun. It should be flat with the bottom of the slide. See how it's perpendicular to this edge here. If it's up just a little bit, a little higher on this end than this end, then you don't have it in all the way. Squeeze it with your thumb, put it down to the next notch. Now to put this back together, it's basically in reverse order. Just take the slide and the frame, line up the grooves on the slide to the notches on the frame, slide it on, and it's locked on. So anyway, that concludes how to take the slide off one of these TP9 SFX Caniks. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification little bell, so you can catch more videos from us.